done. I'm scheduling it for 10 a.m. tomorrow. Done. By the way, I've put a little effort to look a little presentable here. I made a little hair with a tiny little clip. अच्छा सा एक pajama shirt पहना है, but it's too hot today, so boxer shorts it is. Aw, Google Calendar being cute. I legit finished work quickly and went down नीचे और कोई ready नहीं है, मतलब कोई ready नहीं है, ये क्या है? It is the morning of my birthday. I have a little chai with me. Only thing I'm glad at is there are no breakouts like I have. My skin is clear. Happy birthday. So I have classes till 5. My first class is for strategic management. I like the subject. And the next half is I think big data. I suck at that subject, but like I'm trying really hard to learn it because that's a very useful subject for me. So yeah, that's how my 25th birthday is gonna look like. Sham ko thoda plan hai, like chill plans. So yeah. My dad made this amazing mutton roll and it's fire. Happy birthday. Look at this massive biryani pot. And then there's full picture of Coca-Cola. As a birthday special, I get almond milk, cold coffee. Oh my god, this is so good. My skin's glowing. My parents can't literally contain their joy and excitement of my first birthday in this house. যে গিয়ে থাকে গ্রহ, তারপর 9 নবগ্রহ, ওইটা 9টা গ্রহ. I slept off very early. Best sleep. See, sleep is important now on my 25th birthday. I just received one of the parcels from Shruti right now. Let me just check this. Okay, so she has sent the letter with it. Previous friend, I could not buy it for you, so I made it instead. Hope you love it. Happy birthday, PSN. Oh my god, she gifted. Okay, what the fuck? Oh my god, look at this. She made me a Seek Discomfort t-shirt. I mean, look at this. This is some serious intricate work. Like, Look at the thread work. It's mad. Oh my god. So this is kind of like a birthday haul, and I'm gonna share what people gifted me this year, and I really like each and everything that has been gifted to me. So yeah, let's get started. A beautiful black dress that was gifted by my parents. They were very adamant that I should have a new dress on my birthday to wear. So yeah, I got this one from Myntra at Only. I ordered it. But yeah, thank you so much for gifting it to me. Adamant that I get some jewelry. So I got these really pretty earrings from Myntra. These are something that I really like. So yeah, and this nice choker piece that would go really well with the dress. So yeah, thank you so much. Then my sister, yeah, she gifted me this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. Did I break it? So Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. I really needed an eyeshadow palette because I left it in Bombay, the one that I have, and this one is really nice because I love the shades in it. Like I can literally use all of them on me rather than few shades that are there on the palette which are never used and they go to waste. These Tron earbuds, love them, and they are a great addition to my online classes these days. So thank you so much. Next up is very important. I have already opened it and I'm using it. These are my graphic tab that I got from Amazon. This was actually a pre-birthday gift thing. I asked my parents that I really needed a graphic tablet, and I really like the whole doodling thing and stuff. So that's why I wanted a graphic tablet so that I can explore new ways of taking out my creativity in different places. And this one is from, did you say Huon? Yeah. So got it off Amazon. Love it. 2 pieces. Mata Pitas, love you. So this gift is one of the most out of the box gift ever that I have got, and this is the Midnight Sun book, which is kind of the latest part of the Twilight series altogether. I did not even know about it, and my friend Shruti gifted it to me. So yeah, thank you so much, people who love the Twilight series. This is so good. So this whole book is from the perspective of Edward. The entire book or series of books of Twilight, they are from the perspective of Bella, and this one is from Edward's point of view. I am kind of like 1/3 done with it, and it is so good. Like I'm cherishing it, and I'm not a book reader, and she gifted it to me, so I was super surprised, and I was like, no, this is so good. Like I really want like a love story book to read. So love it. This beautiful box of goodies that my friend Tanya sent it to me. It contains a lot of things. But it came in this packaging with like a ribbon thing and everything. So it is called La Memoire, and yeah, so it has so many tiny little things. First of all, this cute little mug, I love it. It says do more of what makes you happy, and yes, coffee does makes me happy. So thank you so much for this. This is a great addition. I needed my coffee cup at this point of time, and all of them came with these tiny little notes where she has put in messages to me. And yeah, it has Body Shop soap. She has witty comments written on it, so I'm not going to share those. And then a tiny little JD bottle so that I party, because I've become a sober as fuck person. Netflix and chill socks. These are so cute. Like I'm going to wear them a lot during winters. Kid you not. It was such a cute little. I love these tiny little thoughtful gifts a lot. Love it. Thank you so much, Tanya. I love you, guys. And what else? Oh yeah. Okay, this needs a whole lot of explanation. My Seek Discomfort merch, guys. So it's not the original Seek Discomfort merch, and I really wanted it for my 25th birthday, but we could not because of logistic issues. She has hand sewn the entire thing. So it has Seek Discomfort written here. Love over fear written all over it, and I love it. It's the best thing. That was all for the haul. Thank you all for the wishes that you have on various platforms. You guys have wished me, and thanks a lot. It means a lot to me when people wish me on my birthday. And yeah, that's all for this video. Let me know if you like this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment below which part of it maybe you liked it, because मेरे लिए तो सारे amazing ही थे. And subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, bye.